Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to earn serious money online without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Imagine making $50,000 a month just by creating short, simple videos. And no, you don't need any fancy equipment, huge following, or even a degree. That's the power of YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how you can start earning money from YouTube Shorts step by step. I'll cover how to create viral content, grow your channel fast, and monetize it so you can start making real income. And stick around till the end. I'll share some secret tips that top creators use to explode their earnings. Let's get started. Why YouTube Shorts are a goldmine. So why should you focus on YouTube Shorts? Well, Shorts are YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels, and right now they're getting massive attention. YouTube is pushing Shorts hard, which means more reach and more potential views than regular long-form videos. But here's the best part. You can monetize Shorts through YouTube's partner program, the Shorts Fund, and even through affiliate marketing and brand deals. And because Shorts are so easy to make, you can post more often and grow your channel faster. How much money can you make? Let's talk numbers. YouTube pays creators based on ad revenue and their Shorts Fund, which allocates millions of dollars every month to creators. Imagine this, you post a viral short that gets 10 million views. If your CPM, cost per 1,000 views, is around $5, that's $50,000 from a single video. And that's just ad revenue. Add affiliate links, sponsorships, and digital product, and you could be making even more. Step-by-step guide to earning from YouTube Shorts. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Your niche matters. Choose something people love watching, and that has high ad rates. Here are some hot niches for YouTube Shorts. Finance investing, money tips, crypto, side hustles. Eximos, tech gadgets, product reviews, unboxings, luxury lifestyle, cars, travel, real estate, health, fitness, workouts, diets, motivation, success, business tips, personal growth. Step 2, create viral-worthy content now. Let's talk about making content people actually want to watch. YouTube Shorts should be fast, engaging, and valuable. Here's how to hook viewers. Start with a bang, grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Keep it short, stick to 15 to 60 seconds. Use trends, hop on viral challenges, sounds, and hashtags. Add captions. A lot of people watch without sound, so make sure your message is clear. Content ideas. How I made $1,000 in a week with no investment. Top 5 apps that pay you real money. Secrets rich people don't want you to know. Step 3. Optimize for maximum views. For your shorts to go viral, you need good SEO and thumbnails. Yes, even for shorts. Titles use curiosity and numbers. How I made $50,000 from YouTube Shorts. Hashtags. Add exact shorts and niche-specific tags. Thumbnails. Make them bold and eye-catching, even though Shorts autoplay thumbnails still matter for clicks. Step 4. Monetize your shorts. YouTube Shorts offer multiple ways to earn. YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube pays creators based on views and engagement. Ad revenue. Once your channel is monetized, you'll earn from ads. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions through links. Sponsorships. Brands pay you to feature their products. Digital products. Sell courses, ebooks, or exclusive content. Step 5. Stay consistent and scale post regularly, ideally 1 to 3 shorts a day. The more content you create, the more chances you have to go viral. Once you start earning, reinvest in better equipment, editing, and content to keep scaling. The biggest mistakes to avoid. Before you start, avoid these common mistakes. Inconsistent uploads, post regularly. YouTube rewards consistency. Sinies duara. Poor quality content, bad audio, shaky videos, and boring scripts won't get views. Ignoring trends, stay updated with what's working in your niche. So no call to action, always tell viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Real life success stories. Don't just take my word for it, and here are some creators making serious money with shorts. Daniel Mack. Interviews luxury car owners and gets millions of views. Finfluencers. Finance creators making 6 figures from short videos. So Sorry, Yurt. Tech reviewers earn from affiliate sales and sponsorships. YouTube Shorts are one of the easiest and fastest ways to start earning big online. You don't need fancy equipment or tons of experience, just a good niche, great content, and consistency. So what are you waiting for? Start creating those shorts today. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. And if you want a full breakdown of YouTube automation, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.